Inflammation is a silent trigger behind countless health problems: joint pain, weight gain, digestive issues, autoimmune flare-ups, brain fog, and chronic fatigue. Most people don't notice it until it's already affecting their daily life. But here's the good news. Your body can fight back naturally. By adding certain superfoods packed with antioxidants, omega-3s, phytonutrients, healthy fats, and plant compounds, you can cool down internal inflammation, protect your cells, support your immune system, and increase your energy from the inside out. In today's video, we're going through 11 superfoods scientifically linked to inflammation control. And with consistent daily habits, they can help protect your heart, your joints, your brain, and even your digestive system. Stick with me until the end, because each food builds on the previous one, and together, they can transform how your body feels. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are one of the most complete anti-inflammatory foods on Earth, thanks to their combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber. Their monounsaturated fats help regulate cholesterol, support heart health, and reduce inflammatory responses in the arteries. They also contain vitamin E, glutathione, and carotenoids, which protect cells from oxidative stress, a major driver of chronic inflammation. The creamy texture you get from avocado comes from natural fats that help lubricate joints and support connective tissues, which is why many people with arthritis, stiffness, or joint pain feel an improvement when they eat them regularly. Beyond that, the fiber in avocados helps balance blood sugar levels, reducing insulin spikes, something strongly linked to inflammation in the body. Adding half an avocado to your meals daily can improve digestion, support brain performance, nourish the skin, and help the body maintain a calmer inflammatory response long-term. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are loaded with EPA and DHA, two forms of omega-3 fatty acids that are directly proven to reduce inflammation at a cellular level. They help lower inflammatory markers in the blood, improve cholesterol balance, reduce the risk of heart disease, and protect the brain from oxidative damage. These omega-3s also help reduce pain and stiffness in muscles and joints, making fatty fish an excellent choice for people dealing with arthritis or chronic inflammation. Consuming high-quality salmon or sardines 2 to 3 times a week supports the cardiovascular system, the brain, the immune system, and even the skin. Regular intake improves triglyceride levels, stabilizes mood, and supports neurological function, which is why omega-3s are often recommended for mental clarity and focus. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It supports the channel and helps the algorithm spread this information to more people who need it. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are small but incredibly powerful. Their dark blue pigments come from anthocyanins, a compound known to fight inflammation, protect brain cells, support memory, and improve blood vessel function. These antioxidants help lower oxidative stress, which is a major driver of aging and chronic inflammation. What makes blueberries special is how they support multiple systems at once. They help reduce blood pressure, regulate blood sugar, support digestion, and feed healthy gut bacteria. And since inflammation often starts in the gut, this makes them extremely valuable. Just a handful of blueberries a day can support the heart, immune function, focus, and overall energy levels. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or salads regularly to feel the difference. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are foundational to fighting inflammation because they supply the body with vitamins A, C, K, folate, and minerals like magnesium and potassium, all of which regulate inflammatory pathways. They are rich in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the blood and neutralize free radicals before they can damage cells. Spinach and kale also provide lutein and beta-carotene, which support eye health, immune function, and long-term cellular protection. Most people don't know this, but leafy greens directly influence the gut microbiome, supporting healthy bacteria while reducing inflammation triggered by poor digestion or processed foods. Eating leafy greens daily can improve energy, reduce bloating, balance hormones, and naturally support joint and brain health. Add them to salads, omelets, smoothies, or sauté them with olive oil for a simple anti-inflammatory boost. Number 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are one of the best anti-inflammatory nuts because they contain plant-based omega-3s, polyphenols, and ellagic acid, compounds that actively reduce inflammation markers in the bloodstream. They support cardiovascular health, improve blood circulation, and help lower bad cholesterol while raising the good type. Walnuts also help stabilize appetite, regulate blood sugar, and improve metabolic health, all of which are linked to inflammation control. Their antioxidants protect the brain from oxidative damage and support memory and cognitive performance, which makes them excellent for long-term neurological health. Even 4 to 6 walnuts a day can support heart, brain, and gut function, especially when combined with a balanced diet. They are perfect as a snack, crushed on yogurt, or added to salads. Number 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is considered a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest eating patterns in the world. Its power comes from oleocanthal, a compound with properties comparable to anti-inflammatory medications, but in natural form. It protects the heart, joints, and blood vessels while improving circulation and reducing stiffness in muscles. Olive oil also supports liver function, helps regulate blood sugar, and protects against oxidative stress, especially important for people dealing with metabolic inflammation or fatty liver issues. For best results, use cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil on salads, vegetables, or after cooking. Heating it too much can reduce some of its benefits. Taking just 1 to 2 tablespoons daily can support long-term heart health, brain function, joint mobility, and immune strength. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most respected anti-inflammatory spices on the planet and has been used for centuries as a natural healing remedy. What makes turmeric so powerful is its ability to calm irritation in the body, especially in the joints, digestive system, and muscles. When inflammation builds up from stress, processed foods, lack of sleep, or toxins, turmeric acts like a natural soothing agent, helping the body return to balance. It supports joint comfort, reduces stiffness, and is often included in natural approaches to arthritis relief. Turmeric is also highly valued for promoting digestive well-being, something many people ignore when talking about inflammation. Since a large percentage of inflammation begins in the gut, turmeric's ability to support digestion and reduce discomfort is extremely valuable. It pairs well with warm meals like soups, stews, eggs, rice, or golden milk before sleep. Even adding half a teaspoon daily can help your body feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced over time. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective when used consistently. Number 8. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse because they combine omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based protein, and powerful anti-inflammatory antioxidants in one tiny seed. When chia absorbs liquid, it forms a gel-like texture that supports digestion, protects the stomach lining, and promotes a soothing effect in the gut. This is especially helpful for people with bloating, irritation, or inflammation triggered by processed or acidic foods. The high fiber content helps feed healthy gut bacteria, and since gut imbalance is one of the biggest causes of systemic inflammation, chia seeds indirectly help reduce inflammation throughout the entire body. They also help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates, which means fewer insulin spikes and less metabolic inflammation. Add them to smoothies, oats, juice, or yogurt, or soak them overnight for a calming breakfast that supports long-term gut and immune health. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic is one of nature's strongest natural inflammation fighters because of its sulfur compounds. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases powerful natural compounds that help reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and support the immune system. These compounds help improve blood flow, reduce cellular stress, and support the cardiovascular system, all key elements when fighting chronic inflammation. Garlic also helps combat inflammation in the gut by discouraging harmful bacteria and supporting a healthy digestive environment. This can make a noticeable difference for people dealing with bloating, discomfort, or immune imbalances linked to the digestive system. Using garlic daily, whether in salads, soups, warm meals, or lightly cooked, can support long-term inflammation control. Raw garlic provides the strongest effect, but even lightly cooked garlic still offers meaningful benefits. Number 10. Green tea. Green tea is one of the best beverages for controlling inflammation because it contains natural plant compounds that protect cells from damage. It supports the body at a deeper level, helping with brain health, heart function, and metabolism. For people dealing with stress-related inflammation, green tea can be especially helpful because it provides a calm, steady form of energy without the crash that often comes from coffee or sugary drinks. One of the most important benefits of green tea is how it supports the liver, helping the body filter toxins and reduce inflammatory load. This allows the body to function more efficiently, improving digestion, energy, and overall resilience. Drinking 1 to 2 cups daily, especially in the morning or afternoon, can help reduce oxidative stress, support weight balance, and maintain steadier energy levels throughout the day. Number 11. Ginger. Ginger is one of the best natural anti-inflammatory superfoods you can add to your daily routine. It works almost like a natural detoxifier, helping the body flush out inflammatory waste and calm irritation in the digestive system. Ginger is excellent for people dealing with stomach inflammation, discomfort after meals, or bloating caused by stress or processed foods. It also supports circulation, warms the muscles, and can help with joint stiffness, making it a great choice for active individuals or those with chronic joint sensitivity. Ginger's benefits go beyond digestion. It can help reduce headaches, support respiratory health, and calm inflammation triggered by cold weather or allergies. Whether used in tea, added to warm meals, blended in smoothies, or grated into soup, ginger provides a comforting and healing effect. Even a small daily dose can support immunity, reduce inflammation, and help the body recover faster from stress and fatigue. In the end, all of these superfoods have one mission: to work with your body, not against it. By supporting your joints, digestion, immunity, and energy, they help reduce inflammation from the inside out. You don't need to change everything at once. Just start with 2 or 3 of these foods and stay consistent. Small steps every day lead to big results over time, and your body will feel the difference. If this video helped you or gave you something valuable to think about, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment which food you'll start adding first. Your support helps the channel grow and helps this information reach more people who need it. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.